In the summer of 2013, scientists embarked on an extraordinary expedition from West Yorkshire, England, launching a high-altitude balloon to the stratosphere. Their goal? To investigate the possibility that life on Earth has extraterrestrial origins. This wasn't just any mission, it was a quest to catch life in one of Earth's most inhospitable environments. The target was the stratosphere, specifically between 22 and 27 kilometers up, where conditions are harsh, with biting cold and air so thin it barely supports human life. Yet it's here, in this unlikely place, that the team sought signs of extraterrestrial life. Among their discoveries was something astonishing, a microorganism that had impacted their sampling equipment with such force it left a microcrater. This high-speed collision suggested an origin from beyond, as particles of this size typically can't navigate through the tropopause, the boundary that separates the stratosphere from the troposphere below, where Earth-bound particles reside. The centerpiece of their discovery was a sphere, not of ordinary matter, but of titanium and vanadium, housing biological material within. This wasn't mere speculation. Through meticulous analysis, including energy-dispersive X-ray spectroscopy, the team confirmed the presence of carbon and oxygen, hallmarks of biological entities. This discovery turns conventional wisdom on its head. Particles of the size found, particularly those larger than several micrometers, were long thought incapable of ascending through the tropopause without a violent event, like a volcanic eruption. Yet here they were, found intact, and at altitudes suggesting they descended from the cosmos. What does this mean? It lends credence to the panspermia theory, suggesting that the ingredients for life aren't Earth's unique possession, but is scattered throughout the universe, delivered to worlds, including our own, by comets and meteoroids. This stratospheric expedition has not just expanded our understanding of where life can exist, but has challenged us to rethink our place in the universe. In the silent void of space, Earth may not be the only cradle of life. Instead, life's seeds drift across the cosmos, finding new homes in the most unexpected places. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the unknown, where each discovery brings more questions than answers. This is Geomystery, where the wonders of our universe unfold in ways we're just beginning to understand.